Hi guys, welcome to the new video of this Linux tutorial series. In this video, we're going to discuss the command that we use multiple times just for the management purpose, but it's very useful command. So the command name, let me give you very quickly, sort. So by name, it's very clear that we're gonna sort the things in an alphabetical order. So the syntax of this command is like other commands only. So sort, then we have options. After the options, we have to give either file name. If we don't give the file name, sort will read the things or will take the input from the standard input, that is our keyboard. And we will discuss the multiple options, but let's see how the sort works. So if I write sort and enter, it will open a prompt for me, and I'm writing, let's say Ajay, then this, then Aman, then Dikshant. So as human eyes, we can judge the things like what will come first and what will come after. So like we know A is comes first, then again A, as the things like work in dictionary. Basically, if the first letter is M, then we will move to second letter to check which will come first, then A, then D, then M, R, like this. So if I do control D now, see, it sorted the things in the alphabetical order. So this is one thing, but these are the very few names. But if we want to sort the multiple things or many lines, we can say, then we have to use a sort command. So we can pass the sort the file name also, or from any other command we can take as input that will give the output to sort command, like with a piping symbol. If I do ls here, there are only two files, but I do ls slash c, multiple files and directory are there, and if I do etc, again many files. So here we have many files, then we will pass this output of ls etc as an input to sort. See, now it sorted multiple files and folders in a very alphabetical order. So that's where we have to use the sort command. That's the one use. Now the another use is we can pass the sort the file name to sort also. We have two files here, as you can see. One is the sort.txt, and first the name is written, then some numbers are written. Maybe this number can be the ID numbers. Okay. So if I sort this file, then what we can do is sort, then the file name, that is sort.txt. Now you can see it sorted the things according to the first column. That means by the name it's sorted. But what if I want to sort with the second column? Then we have the option. If we want to sort, if you pass like sort and then file name, then it will sort according to the first column by default. That's the basic rule. If we want to pass or sort with some another column, then what we can do is sort. We have the option called -k, and then we have to give column number, then file. So let's say column name is, first column is of name, second is of some IDs, third is of salary, fourth is of some how many time promotion is done, something like that. So according to these columns we can sort the things. So if I do simple sort, then it will sort the things. But if I want to do with column number 2, then K, and column number 2 and the file name. But if you see now, even though it's not sorted properly, how I can say is like, if you see here, it's not sorted properly. Why I'm saying is because numbers by human we can consider as like 10, 100, 120, 15. If we take this for example, let me tell you, 10, 100, 120 and 15. So how then 150 and 20? So as a human, we can know that 10, after 10 we have another smaller number, that is 15, then 20. According to human, it will be like 10, 15, 20, 100, 120 and 150. We understand numbers, like which one is smaller and which one is greater. But according to computer, they deal in 1 and 0 basically. They don't understand this 1 and 0 is 10 and 1 is 11. For them, this is just a digits or bits. So how they sorted the things is, they check the first column or the first digit of numbers. So we have 1 2 and multiple things, so wherever 1 is there they wrote the things 1 1 1, then 2, then 3. See, if I show you, see, after 1 2 we have 5 and 8. So for them, they check this first bit of every number. If it's 1, then means they arrange in the this form 1 1, then 2, then 3, then 5 or 8. First digit they checked first. Second, if we check that 0 0, this is same for them, but in the 100 we have two zeros, that's why they put 100 after the 10. In 120, 2 is greater than 0, that's why 120 is after 100. But in 115, sorry, in 15, 5 is small, 5 is greater than 2. That's why they kept 15 after 120, but that's wrong according to us. So that's why in the sort, if we want to sort the numbers specifically, only talking about the numbers in a human readable format, like how humans sort the numbers, if we want to sort in that way, then we have an option called -n. So let me tell you, we have to use -n here also. Now if I do enter, see, now it's sorted properly. 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100, 120, 150. And why K2? Because number we want to sort according to number wise, and number is present on the second column. We have another file, this, and there is no second column, no first column. Just I want to sort this number in a, like how humans sort the numbers basically, and no columns are there. And you know, by default, if we don't pass any K2 or K1 or K3 like column numbers, then sort will automatically take first column. So if I do sort and number.txt, what you will see, they took up the first digits 2 3 4 6 7 8 9, and they check after that, they check second digit. But this is according to computer. If we want to do it in the human format, then -n we have to use. See, now 4 6 8 20 30 75 80 90. That's how the -n option works. The third option of sort format is -r. So what -r will do is, they will reverse the things. So how it works is, let's say they sort the things A to Z wise, then they reverse the format Z to A wise basically. So if I do sort.txt, see, Ajay, Deepak, these names are coming in alphabetical order, but I want to reverse this, then -r. Now you can see A is coming at the end. That's how the -r option works. And if you want to save this output to another file, one option is output redirection, that is this greater than symbol. Another option we have in the sort only, that is the -o. -o means output file. So I am giving reverse file. This file will created, this file if not exist, it will create by a sort, and sort will save the output, whatever the output we are getting from the sort command. So if I do enter, now if I do ls, see, reverse file is created, and if I get the file, same output, see, from here Sonia to this. So that's how we can use -o also. Instead of redirection of output greater than symbol, we can save a file. Next option we have is, let's check which options we have more to discuss. So let's discuss the option called, interesting option, we will take it, like month sorting we can take up. So -m we can take, and if I quickly do here only sort -m, and if I write June, then August, okay, February, then March, January, and December, September, October, and let's say November. Which one is left? January, February, March, April, let's say May, June we already have, July, okay, that's done, and control D. If you see now, they sorted the things in monthly wise, they understand the month things. So January to December they sorted, so that's why -m we can use. So that's all about the sort command. If you like the video, Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can post your doubts on comment box or reach out to me LinkedIn also. Thanks for watching the video.